Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Alright, we're on a Bitcoin daily chart, but I want to talk about something else first. Federal Reserve, US Federal Reserve just slashed interest rates down to 0 to 25 basis points. 25 basis points is the equivalent of 0.25%. So we were rallying. Let me drop that 4-hour chart real quick. We were rallying a bit in Bitcoin coming up to this prior swing high. Now selling off. Futures are open. S&P, I'm watching it right now, down about 4.8%. 4.8% down. They also announced essentially QE5. They're going to be buying 500 billion in treasuries and 200 billion in mortgage-backed securities, MBSs. We're going to have to see how this plays out. Remember, last week, Thursday, big down day, selling off with the markets. Sorry, that's my partner, Bob Iacchino, just popping up on my instant messenger. It's a ghost town right now. He's out and about in Chicago. Not much going on here. Actually, in Chicago, just all restaurants, no dine-in. You can only pick up curbside or delivery. Schools are all canceled. Everything's canceled here. So, I mean, that's a good step. We got to get a hold of this thing. So that's all, but it's getting weird out there. If you're out and about, it's getting a little strange. Hopefully everybody has some supplies and doesn't have to go out. If you don't have to go out, do not do it. Okay, do not do it. My wife's company, she gets to work from home for the next couple weeks, which I really applaud. I get to work from home anyways. So we're just watching the markets right now, trading the cryptos, trading the stocks, which are down. We don't know how this is all going to play out tonight. We're going to have to keep watching it because this is going to be a volatile overnight session. So we could have sell-offs, we could have rallies. Nothing's really changed. So you see here, we've been in this consolidation period. The major levels we're watching at this point are above 59.84, so 6,000. 6,000. If we get above 6,000, we'd prefer it be on a closing basis, but since this is going to be volatile, we're going to be watching it on a shorter term charts, especially the 1-hour chart, which is shorter term for us. So above that 6,000, 6,250, then 6,500 are the next rallying points. Above that, again, 4-hour chart. Above that, we'll jump to those ones, the bigger ones, once we get to daily chart. Now, we've had some minor support coming in about 5,050 to 5,100. What I'm going to be watching, if we get below 5,000, I'm going to be watching this 4768 level, really 4,800. 4,800, if we close below that on a shorter term chart, I'm going to be watching potentially for us to tackle the 4,000 level again. Remember, we don't know. Cryptos are still young. We have not had a lot of market panics. These markets could turn around, which will probably turn around cryptos too. People are liquidating all kinds of assets to cover margin calls, to cover everything else, to cover sell-offs in other things like stocks, silver, gold, sell-off. So you don't know why things are going to happen. A lot of people are trying to buy cryptos now as a safe haven, or because they're not tied directly to a fiat currency. They're not, you can't slash rates on a crypto. So there's going to be a push-pull. Don't know how this is going to play out. That's why we're just going to rely on the charts. We're going to rely on the charts. So right now we're in consolidation. Now 4-hour is still on the bearish side for the Bitcoin. And on the daily, let me jump over here. Let me move these also. I got to align these differently. Preferences align. We're going to align it now. Let's move it to the middle. Okay. Sorry, I'm just doing all this real time, trying to get this information out to everybody. So you can see here on any rally, the rotation zone on the daily. So if we do rally, I would not be surprised to see a 6,500 mark at all. That would just take us to the daily bottom of the rotation zone. Above that, even the 7,000, the 50% retracement from the sell-off spike is still in the middle of rotation zone. Would not be surprised on a major rally to see that. Upper end of the daily rotation zone, about 76.50. Selling off, the key level we'll really be watching, not much volume in this yet, is this 39.50 to 4,000. 39.50 to 4,000 is what we're watching on a daily basis. Ethereum also spiking up really nice to the top of the rotation zone. If you're not following our rotation zones, 8 EMA is the orange line. 21 EMA is the blue line. We've tested this on all sorts of markets. So it's not crypto specific, it's stocks, it's futures, it's currencies. We use this across the board because they've tested out across the board. It's something with timing and psychology and everything else. Maybe it's a self-fulfilling prophecy that's just come into the cryptos. Don't care, it works. So it works. Now, running up there, it's still in bearish mode on the 4-hour and daily in Ethereum, and this can change quickly should we rally. But it's still in the bearish mode. So, first level of resistance we just tested, 133.50. Next area is about 140. Then we're watching 147.08 and 152.50 on any rallies. Key support, let me move the cursor over here. So you see this 12.5% retracement, 115, spiking low there. And then if we get through that, we'll be watching about the 91 level. 91 level. Let me switch over to daily chart. Again, just trying to get all this information out to everyone sooner rather than later. I'm going to have to move this again. There we go. Okay. Zoom in. So sell off, that last little spike low is the major support, 91. If we did drop below that, this is on the longer term projections, we'd be all the way down to 65. Got to put those out there. Didn't even think we'd hit 91. It's not for me to determine where we're going or not. It's just we got to map out the levels because these are areas we'll watch for reversals on. So if it does sell off down there, we'll start watching for a reversal pattern. Now, above this 140 level, major on the daily, about 153 to 155 on any rally. So if this turns around and starts rallying strongly tonight or tomorrow morning, we'll be targeting 155 and then 164.50. Then we're going to be watching 180. So this is all transpiring now. Let me see where the futures are. Still about down 4.79%. Oil's off. Let's see, oil's down, back down to about 30 bucks a barrel right now. So lots of things selling off, but we're going to have to see how Asia plays out than the European Open. Especially watch the European Open if you're up then. And just take it carefully. Don't panic out of things. Know where your stops are. Know where your targets are. Know if you're going to accumulate, know where your buy points are. There's no immediate buy pattern on any of the cryptos that we've seen yet. We may find some quick sell-off divergences. We may find some potential double bottoms. But those are going to happen overnight. But know what your plan is. Know how you're going to deal with this. And trade safely and trade smart. That's what we have for you tonight. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.